Morning all. Hope you guys are able to hear me and able to see the screen which I am sharing. Right? Can someone please confirm?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. So hope everyone knows that syllabus what we are going to learn in the automation part. I think most of you all already joined from yesterday's class. Is anyone who joined newly today?
Hi sir, this is
Hello.
Dakshani. I have joined today.
Okay. Dakshayani and Anna, right? So you both joined today, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you please introduce yourself, your name, and which year pass out you are, and how many years of experience you have, and in which company you are working on?
Sure.
Yeah, I already. Okay, continue, please.
Sorry. My name is Anna. I'm a tester. I've been in the role for almost 5 years. I did some automation testing, but my current project has been mostly manual testing. So I'd like to improve my skills and start looking for new opportunities. Thank you.
Yeah, I already said my name. I'm working in Value Labs as a manual testing software engineer. I want to improve my skills as joined as an automation tester course. I have overall 4 years, 5 years experience in automation testing. Thank you.
Okay, cool. So Geeta is also new member, or you joined yesterday session, Geeta? Can you please confirm?
I joined this session.
Okay, then fine. So guys, okay, I think Anna and Dakshayani, you both are not aware about the syllabus which you are going to learn in the automation session, right? So yesterday I already discussed about the syllabus what we are going to learn in the automation session. You can ask that recording session that Sarita ma'am will share it to you. You guys can go through the recording to get the things what you guys are going to learn in the automation session. So here if you see the screen, I'm sharing that syllabus document also. In high level, I will tell you here what you guys are going to learn in the automation. One minute. Okay. So this is the manual part which is already done. So from today onwards, we are going to see the automation parts. In the automation, we are going to learn these attributes. You guys all are aware about these parts. If you want to be work on the automation part, you should aware about one programming knowledge. In this course, we are going to learn the Java, and you need to know one editor where we can write a Java code. There we have Eclipse, IntelliJ, Visual Studio, NetBeans. We have many editors we have in the market. In our course, we are going to learn the Eclipse. And coming the automation tool, we have many things in the market: Selenium, Playwright, Cypress, UTF, WebDriver.io, and out of them, we are using the Selenium as a tool in the automation part. And next one is Central Repository System. CRS, where we can use many things in the market: GitHub, Bitbucket, JFrog. Here all are the free one only, which we are using in our course are the free. No need to pay any amount for this tools to buy. Okay, so Java, you guys can easily learn it. So it's not a paid. You no need to pay any amount to the any of the tool. Eclipse, it's a free editor. You guys can easily install from the Chrome. And Selenium is a open source tool. It's a free tool, but if you want to use any other tools like Playwright, Cypress, UTF, you need to pay charges to these companies. Playwright is a Google company, UTF is a HP company, and WebDriver.io also you can use it for free of course. Okay, here Selenium and WebDriver.io both are open source and free source tools, and central repository system GitHub, Bitbucket, and JFrog. For GitHub, is acts as both free and paid enterprise resource also. So for practice purpose in our course, the free version is enough for the GitHub. But coming to the Bitbucket JFrog, both are the paid one. Version control system. Git and SVN, it's a free of cost that you guys can easily install in the Chrome. Frameworks we are going to learn is TestNG and Cucumber BDT. Both you guys are going to learn. And CI/CD tool, Jenkins is have both free and paid tool. Here, paid tool is nothing but you guys can install in your local server. That's a free one. Paid tool is nothing but you need to buy a server, and in that server you guys going to install the Jenkins like Amazon server, Azure servers. We have different servers we have right in the cloud storages. Okay, so whatever things which you guys are going to learn in the automation part is going to be installed freely. Okay, no need to pay any amount to the particular vendors like Eclipse editor vendor, Selenium vendor, GitHub vendor. No need to pay particular amount to that. Okay, so this is all about the automation classes which you guys are going to learn in the further. So if you see that topics, these are the things which we are going to cover: Eclipse, Jenkins, TestNG, Cucumber, Git, GitHub, Selenium, Java, and I forgot to write here Maven also going to be covered here. And additional benefits are after completion of the class, you guys are going to get the recordings of the each and every session, and will get the proper materials which are structured in the good manner. Okay. Duration will be there will be 30 to 45 days will be there for the automation session, and manual testing is already done. For coming to the automation, it will be takes only 30 to 45 days if I take continuous classes. Due to any health issues, if I take a gap of 1 or 2 days, or else due to festivals, then only it will be lag for 1 week. Otherwise, it will close it within the 30 to 45 days, between 30 to 45 days. Okay, this is all about the syllabus document. You can reach out the institute, they will share this document today. Okay, so coming to the today part, let's execute one sample script and we'll show you to you how that automation works. Okay, so here automation is nothing but it's going to decrease the manual efforts. Okay, so we have a QE. Can anyone aware about the QE? QE is nothing but quality engineer. Okay, so can anyone knows about what is mean by engineer? Meaning of engineer? Anyone of you? Geeta, Dakshayani, Sapna, Akila, Anna, Kashyap. The generic meaning of the engineer. No?
Um, Building something like code, designing code.
Okay, good.
Someone who designs code.
Okay, good. Any more answers? Okay, fine. So good one, Geeta. So what exactly you said is correct, but here a big difference is there. Here for the engineer is nothing but the person who constructs or builds something which is not exist before. Okay, like we can it was invented newly. For example, uh, there is a bulb. Okay, before invention of the light, there is no light in the world, right? So after inventing the light only, we have a light that we guys can work on the night shifts also, right? So here that light is not invented before, and it invented newly, which is not exist before. So there, that person who invented that bulb is a engineer besides the scientist. Okay. So in similar way, that automation framework will not exist before for that project. The person who works on that project to convert that manual efforts into the automation framework, that person is called as a automation engineer. Okay, software engineer is nothing but that software will not exist before. The person who works and who works to construct the code and to build the code which is not exist before to work on that functionality, then it is called as a software engineer. Then it is called as a software engineer. Okay, clear about the automation engineer and quality engineer definition?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let's wait a few minutes. That Eclipse is loading. Once it's loading, then we can. Yeah, it's already there. Okay, fine. You guys are able to see the screen, right? That Eclipse ID. Have you guys seen that Eclipse ID which I'm sharing now?
Yes.
Okay, good. Let me show you a simple program where we can automate a simple login page as of now, and later we can see how I have written and all those things we can discuss in the further classes. As of now, just we can see how I have written the for the login page. These all are the Java programs. These all are Selenium programs. These all TestNG framework programs. Okay. So this is a small program which we have seen for the login.java. So if you see, this is the syntax of the Java program. First we need to create a public class, and after that we have a main function. This is the main function. Inside the main function we are writing the code, Selenium code. Selenium code is nothing but it will be there in the Java language only, but a little bit difference between the Java and Selenium here is in Selenium we are using some functions. Okay, so before that, if you want to work with the Selenium, you should import that package name which we have given where this file is under there. So this file is under login.java is a program which is under the package of Selenium programs. That's why I have imported package space Selenium programs. And after that, you need to import the by WebDriver and Firefox driver. So you need to import all these three things because you are using by WebDriver Firefox in the Selenium code. If you see here, by.xpath, by is using that. Firefox driver we are using, WebDriver we are using. That's why we are adding the things. That's why we are adding the things over here. Okay, 1 minute, guys. Let me charge. Okay. Am I audible, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you see here, okay, don't worry that how I can remember that the import space org dot openkey dot selenium dot by how can I remember all those things? Okay. So no need to remember. For example, I'm removing the by here. If I removing the by here, so it's showing some error here that because that by not imported here, I removed just now. So what you can do is just move your cursor on the by over here. Okay, it will show that please import the by. So if you click on the by, automatically this by will be added. So no need to add. Sorry, someone is asking doubt. I think anyone? No doubt. If you don't have any doubt, please mute yourself, guys. Kashyap, yeah. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. If you have doubts, then only please unmute and ask your doubts. If you don't have any doubts, please mute yourself because as this is recording, the people who is not yet joined to the classes can get clarity on this. Okay. Okay, fine. So next here, yeah, such a way you guys can import it. For example, if you delete this Firefox package, it will throw an error. Just move your cursor here and it will ask you to import. Then you guys simply can import. Okay. Such a way you guys can import very clearly. This is the class we have taken. Whatever class I have created here, login dot file name, the class name and file name both should be same in the Java. The class name and file name both should be same in the Java here. Okay. So next we have a main function. That main function we have written the Selenium code, public static void main string space args, and inside we have written the code of the Selenium. So WebDriver space driver is nothing but I have created an object for the WebDriver function. That object name is driver, driver. Okay, and next we can take it as a system dot set properties of the driver path I have given here. The driver path I have given here, WebDriver space WebDriver dot gecko dot driver. It doesn't mean that you can take this is the name, this is the value. Whenever we are setting some properties for the system, that syntax will be there like a name and value. For example, if this is a name means what I can tell, state. I can take state as a name, value is a Andhra Pradesh. State as a name, Telangana is the value. Okay, so here you can see this is the question, this is the answer, right? So what you can do is, here we have to take the which type of browser you are taking. That's the attribute name here. WebDriver.gecko.driver. Gecko means Firefox. Gecko means Firefox. Okay, and if you want to use the Chrome here, Chrome browser, you want to, if you want to run this script in the Chrome browser, then you can use the Chrome.driver. If you want to run this in the Edge browser, then you can use the Edge.driver. Okay, WebDriver and driver will be same. The Gecko is getting changed if you want to run the script in the different browsers like Chrome, Safari, and wherever you want to run. Okay, and next one, this is the path of the driver which is installed. Okay, so here what you guys has to do is, if you want to run the script on any of the browser, you should install that browser first. Okay, you should install that browser, and then you guys can store it in one path. So I have installed Gecko driver, Chrome driver, Edge driver, and I stored it in the C. In coming classes, I will tell you how can we install. Maybe tomorrow and day after tomorrow classes, we are going to discuss about that. How can we install these drivers of the Chrome browser, some other things. So here I have downloaded browser drivers, where I have created that Gecko driver is nothing but Firefox driver, Chrome driver, Chrome browser, and next MS Edge driver. Okay, these are the three browser drivers I have downloaded and stored it. If you want, if I want, I can change it. Simply name here Chrome driver.exe Chrome. Okay, so after that I am using the Firefox, right? So what I have to do is, I have to call that Firefox driver method. Driver is a object for this WebDriver, right? So driver equal to new Firefox driver, new Firefox driver. Okay, such a way we can take it, such a way we can take it. And next, whenever the browser is open, sometimes it will be there in a minimize mode like this. Okay, but we want to maximize the screen, right? So for that purpose, we are using a function maximize, driver.manage.window.maximize. We are maximizing the screen. And next one is, I want to check this one. I want to automate the login functionality of this application. Let me go a minute. I want to automate this login page functionality. So this is the username, standard user, and secret start is the password, right? So I want to, I'm doing manually now, right? Now I entered the standard user and password manually and clicking the login page manually. So I entered into this one. Okay, we are going to learn this application in the automation, in our automation course. Okay, it's a e-commerce application. Okay, so we are entered into the application. Now I can do same thing in the, here you can see I'm sending the values of stand user and secret password. For that we are using the send keys method, and we have a one more option, that XPath. Okay, so I will tell you in the further classes, mostly on the tomorrow and day after tomorrow, how to write an XPath. It's a big concept, so I will teach you that XPath in the sometime. Okay, in the tomorrow session mostly. Okay, so here I have taken XPath for the username, and XPath for the password, and XPath for the submit. Total three operations I performed, right? Total four operations I performed. First I'm navigating to that browser, and after that I'm entering the username, entering the password, and clicking the login button. These are the four operations I have performed in the manually now, right? So in similar way, I have automated those four operations. First I navigated to this application, and after that entering to username, and sending the data, password, and clicking the login button. You have doubt that, sir, how they can identify that in the page where that exactly that username field is there. For that only we are writing the XPath. For that only we are writing the XPath. Okay, XPath is nothing but it's a location. For example, you are ordering a food in the Zomato or Swiggy. Okay, just imagine that you guys are applying food in Zomato or Swiggy. Whenever you guys are applying the food in Zomato or Swiggy, what it's happened exactly here is you guys has to give the exact location, right? You guys has to give the exact location, otherwise the food does not get delivered to your location, right? So in similar way, whenever if you want to automate any object, you should give the web locator in the form of XPath, and wherever whatever we have total 8 types of web locators. We have XPath is one of the type, we have 7 more type. Okay, we'll discuss in the further classes. Okay, so after that, giving all those things, right click on the screen, and there is a option run as, and you can click on the Java application. Now you can see that browser will be open, that it's navigate to that application, everything is automatically happen. You can check the screen will open now, Chrome will open now. It's taking time to load. Eclipse is slow in my laptop, just check it, it takes some time. Yes, here you can see that it throws an error. What error it throws here? Because the Firefox is closed, right? That's the reason it's installing your updates. It's need updates, then will it start in the few minutes. Let's wait few minutes and we can run the program again. Here you can see Firefox is installing your updates and will start in the few minutes. That's the reason why we got the session error here. Okay, so very easy guys, the automation is very easy. It's not much difficult how what you guys are thinking. So let me run it again. Run as Java application. You can see that Firefox is open. Navigate to that application now. Now you can see how it's working. Enter username and password and click on the login button. Clear how it was automated?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any doubt on the script which we have executed now?
From my end, no doubt, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Let me open the materials of the automations and we'll show you what are the things which we are going to learn in the further, how it looks like. So let me open the automation, and then documents we have. 1 minute guys. Just see this code. I'll show you materials also, how I have written. Just have a look on the code which I have written. We'll get an idea, right? Mostly from tomorrow onwards, we are going to start a Java classes. It will take hardly, yeah, 1 week to 10 days. It will take Java, and after that we can start the selling. But don't confuse that. If you are not aware about the Java, it was easy to learn from scratch because I will teach from scratch. Core Java is going to be learned. So please don't worry. If you have any doubts, also you can reach out me. I will explain you. Are you guys aware about the Java? Is anyone aware about the Java who is in the batch currently now?
I worked with Java a little bit.
Okay, good. Okay, but don't feel bored that while explaining that you concepts you may know, because the course was designed that everyone should understand from scratch. So we are going to teach the Java from scratch again. Okay. So maybe the people who already aware about the Java feel bored on listening the classes of the Java because they already know where. But this course is designed in the perspective of the people who don't know anything on the Java. Okay. Hope you got it. Okay, cool. Okay, cool guys. So let me show the material also. So how it looks like that. Then we will get an idea. Yeah, it's like materials are like this. So we'll get some cheat sheets also where you can easily recall the concepts which you guys are going to learn. It's not okay. It's okay. Yeah, 1 minute. It's loading. Yeah. This is covered the topic, some topics what we are going to cover. Yeah. So first test case, okay, this will also comes under the Selenium. We are going to start the Java classes from start. Okay. So I just said that we have that eight, right? XPath, CSS selector. Material will be like this. So it was structured material where you can easily identify the things. If you see here, you'll, class number will be there. The topics what we are going to learn in that class, and the topic theoretical part and practical discussion in the class. Okay. All these are Selenium parts. Okay, we are going to start Java classes. Get into the, yeah, from class 5 onwards we are going to start Java introduction, comments in Java, data types, variables, object and classes, operators, JavaScript. These are the concepts we are going to discuss in the tomorrow class. And day after tomorrow also we are going to discuss Java class only, and I will give a assignment for this weekend. For example, Monday to Friday the classes is done. I will give an assignment on this week and you guys have to submit by the Monday. Okay. Such a type the classes will be. If you have any doubts also, you can reach out me through the WhatsApp. Okay, I will get back to you on my free time and I can discuss on the weekend also. Okay, this is all about the demo session of the today. From tomorrow onwards the actual classes are started. If you like the demo and if you are interested on the topics which we have covered in the course, please try to reach out the institute and please enroll today itself. Okay. Any more doubts? Mostly for the new members to join. Anna and Dakshayani. The mining people already aware about the things which I already discussed yesterday. Okay. If any doubts, please let me know, guys.
I'm good, thank you.
Okay. If no doubts, then we are done for the day. We'll close the session for the today. And have a nice day. I'm expecting the same count for the tomorrow also. Please try to join in the tomorrow class at the on time. Have a nice day. Thank you all.